Alright, I'm going to show you how to put together, put in a new coil into your Pico Mega. eLeaf. iStick. Mega. Mine's already taken apart. Make it a whole lot easier for you. Every other video I watched, they would literally take it off screen and then tell you how to take it apart. Okay. This is the part that goes right there. Get these parts disconnected. What you're going to do is take the needle nose pair of pliers, put it right here, grab a rag, and then twist from there. This is my old coil.
Windows wax.
You simply unscrew it from this one. Put in a new one. This side up.
What happened to all the circular pads? Figuring out how you take it apart.
Then you put it together. It's that simple. Every other video that I've run across has to give you a really long introduction and really long outro. It's really stupid. I literally showed you how to put it together in 2 minutes. Thank you very much. You're welcome.